Well, the state is asking a federal judge to dismiss a lawsuit over the truck tolls.
The Attorney General's office filed the motion today, and Eyewitness News reporter Sheena Losciuto has been digging through the documents and joins us in studio with more on what she's learned. Sheena?
The motion was only filed a few hours ago. It's the first in this case. The state argues federal court is not the place to consider a lawsuit that strictly involves state revenue meant to benefit all Rhode Islanders.
Tractor trailers driving under gantries and getting charged to drive on state roads in southern Rhode Island, angering many. Multiple trucking groups came together to file a lawsuit in federal court in Providence after the first tolls went online on June 11th. The main defendant, the director of the Rhode Island Department of Transportation. In the lawsuit, the plaintiffs argue other vehicles should be tolled as well, since they also contribute to the wear and tear on the roads. Responding to the lawsuit, the Attorney General's office filed a 39-page motion Friday aiming to dismiss the case from federal court, telling Eyewitness News the state court would be more appropriate. The filing specifically refers to the Tax Injunction Act, a bill passed by Congress stating federal courts can't get involved when it comes to the collection of state taxes and revenue. A spokesperson for the AG's office sent Eyewitness News a statement reading in part, "The state's arguments boil down to the state's right to generate revenues for programs that benefit the public good and that a federal court cannot enjoin the state from doing so. Only a state court can do so."
Now, the American Trucking Association, the main plaintiff in the lawsuit, just sent us a statement as well, saying this motion does not change the fact that truckers are being discriminated against. Now, taking a look at the bigger picture, the tolls are a part of a $5 billion infrastructure plan aiming to repair and replace bridges and roads in the state. The truck tolls are meant to collect about 10% of that total cost. I'm Sheena Losciuto, Eyewitness News.